Welcome to Designer Ling channel. I'm Lin, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Embrace the arid beauty, Cactus Desert Front Yard Design. Transform your front yard into a low-maintenance paradise with a stunning Cactus Desert style design. This unique approach celebrates the natural beauty of the desert and creates a visually striking and drought-tolerant landscape. A palette inspired by the arid landscape, earthy tones. The color scheme reflects the natural hues of the desert. Think beige, terracotta, and shades of brown for gravel pathways and decorative rocks. Accents of muted green can be added with drought-resistant plants, pops of color. While the overall feel is muted, incorporate pops of color with vibrant desert wildflowers during their blooming season. Consider planting cacti with colorful flowers like scarlet hedgehog cactus, Echinopsis chamaesyrius, or purple prickly pear cactus, Opuntia violacea. A showcase of desert flora, cacti assortment. Cacti are the stars of the show. Choose a variety of shapes, sizes, and textures to create visual interest. Include towering saguaro cacti, Carnegie gigantea, if your climate allows, or opt for smaller varieties like prickly pear cacti, Opuntia spp, barrel cacti, Echinocactus spp, or pincushion cacti, Mammillaria spp. Drought-resistant companions. Complement the cacti with other desert-adapted plants like succulents, ornamental grasses, and flowering shrubs. Yuccas, aloe vera agave, and rosemary bushes, Rosmarinus officinalis, are all excellent low-water options. A landscape of texture and form, rocks and gravel. Large decorative rocks and gravel create a natural-looking base and provide excellent drainage. Utilize them strategically to create pathways, define planting areas, or accentuate specific features. Consider using decomposed granite for pathways, as it blends seamlessly with the desert aesthetic. Desert accents, optional. Incorporate natural elements like cacti skeletons, bleached driftwood, or interesting rock formations to add a touch of desert character. A welcoming entryway, xeriscape design principles. Xeriscaping emphasizes water-conserving practices. Utilize drought-resistant plants, group plants with similar water needs together, and consider installing a drip irrigation system for efficient watering. Desert-friendly pathway. Create a welcoming entryway with a winding pathway made of gravel, decomposed granite, or flagstone. This adds visual interest and guides visitors to the front door. A touch of hospitality. Place a few large potted cacti or succulents near the entrance to add a touch of desert charm and hospitality. Living in a desert oasis, a Cactus Desert-style front yard design isn't just about aesthetics. It's about embracing the natural beauty of your environment. This low-maintenance approach creates a stunning and sustainable landscape that requires minimal water and thrives in the arid climate. From the vibrant cacti to the calming rock formations, this design allows you to enjoy a slice of the desert right outside your doorstep. Why embrace the Cactus Desert for your front yard, tired of the same old green grass and thirsty lawns? A Cactus Desert-style front yard offers a unique combination of benefits that can transform your outdoor space. Low-maintenance paradise. Ditch the constant watering and mowing. Desert plants are naturally adapted to arid climates and require minimal water, making this a perfect choice for busy homeowners or those in water-restricted areas. Sustainable and eco-friendly. By using native plants and minimizing water usage, you're creating a landscape that's kind to the environment. This approach reduces your carbon footprint and conserves precious water resources. Year-round beauty. Desert landscapes transform throughout the year. Cacti boast stunning flowers in the spring, while succulents showcase vibrant colors and interesting textures. The natural beauty of rocks and gravel adds a permanent layer of visual interest, unique and eye-catching. Stand out from the crowd. A Cactus Desert-style front yard is a conversation starter. The bold design and unique plants create a visually striking entrance that reflects the natural beauty of the desert. Increased property value. A well-designed and well-maintained desert landscape can add value to your property. Potential buyers appreciate the low-maintenance upkeep and the unique aesthetic. Getting started with your desert oasis front yard. Planning is key. Assess your climate. Research the typical temperatures and rainfall in your area. This will help you choose plants that are best suited for your specific climate zone. Know your soil. Understanding your soil type, sandy, clay, etc., is crucial. Desert plants generally prefer well-draining soil, so you may need to amend your existing soil if necessary. Sun exposure. Pay attention to how much sunlight different areas of your front yard receive. Full sun is ideal for most cacti and succulents, while some desert plants prefer partial shade. Designing your desert paradise. Create a plant palette. Select a variety of cacti and succulents in different shapes, sizes, and textures. Consider incorporating flowering cacti and succulents for pops of color. Drought-resistant companions. Include other low-water plants like ornamental grasses, yuccas, aloe vera, and rosemary bushes to add variety and visual interest. Hardscape elements. Incorporate rocks, gravel, and decomposed granite to create pathways. Define planting areas, and add a natural-looking base. Building the landscape. Prepare the soil. Amending your soil with sand or gravel may be necessary to ensure proper drainage. Planting techniques. Plant cacti and succulents at the appropriate depth, spacing them according to their mature size. Mulch. Optional, a layer of gravel or crushed rock mulch around your plants helps suppress weeds and retain moisture. Adding finishing touches. Xeriscape design principles. Group plants with similar water needs together and utilize drip irrigation for efficient watering. Desert accents. Incorporate natural elements like cacti skeletons, bleached driftwood, or interesting rock formations to add a touch of desert character. Pathways and entryway. Create a welcoming walkway using gravel, decomposed granite, or flagstone. Place a few potted cacti or succulents near the entrance for a touch of hospitality. Remember, choose the right plants. Select cacti and succulents that are native to your region or well-suited to your climate zone. Prioritize drainage. Good drainage is essential for desert plants. Ensure proper drainage throughout your front yard to prevent root rot. Minimal ongoing care. Once established, your desert front yard requires minimal care. Occasional watering during extended dry periods and basic weeding are all that's needed to maintain its beauty. By embracing the natural beauty of the desert and following these tips, you can transform your front yard into a stunning, low-maintenance oasis that thrives with minimal water and effort. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.